How to change your age or birth date on Facebook. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you change your age or birth date on Facebook. So let's begin. First of all, open your Facebook. So make sure that you have logged into your account where you want to change your age or birth date. After that, in the left upper corner you can see the profile icon, tap on that. And here in the right side you can see the three dot button, tap on that. And in the upper row you can see the edit option, tap on edit. Scrolling down to the bottom, look for the edit your about info and tap on that. And here you can see the basic info option where you can see your gender and your birthday. In the right side you can see the edit option, tap on edit. And finally here you can edit your birthday and birth year. You can also edit your gender. So by editing your birthday and birth year, your age will automatically be changed. After editing, you can simply tap on save. And finally your age will be edited. So in this simple step you can change your age or birth date on Facebook. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.